If you're a landlord in Maryland and you need a residential lease agreement that's organized, professional, and simple to use, then this video is for you, because we're going to walk you through what we offer and how the documents are set up. This Maryland lease is a part of the Landlord paperwork available through AmericanLandlord.com. We work with property owners and managers who want reliable forms they can use right away without spending hours trying to piece together documents from multiple sources. This Maryland residential lease agreement is built for single-family homes, townhomes, and similar residential rentals. It's formatted in a clear, structured layout, so the most important terms are very easy to enter. Right at the beginning of the lease is a summary page where you will fill in key information like tenant names, rent amount, due date, deposits, and more. This helps keep the most important details in one place so you're not flipping through multiple pages. And following that are disclosures and notice sections that are commonly used like lead-based paint, flood zone information, mold, and more. It's available in two formats, as an instant PDF download or a professionally printed packet mailed to you on premium paper for landlords who prefer a physical file. And if you're preparing for a new tenant or want to keep your paperwork organized, there's also a complete Maryland rental forms kit that's available. In addition to the instruction sheet, the guide, and the lease itself, it also includes a rental application, a move-in checklist, and more. You can order either the Maryland Residential Lease Agreement or the full Maryland Rental Forms Kit today by visiting AmericanLandlord.com.